To find the best fitness tracker for activity tracking on the market, we took a look at the aspects that make for an excellent health accessory, including each option's display, health features, ease of use, battery life, and design. After all, you will be wearing it all day, depending on the activities you want to track. And if you seek additional features such as heart monitoring or sleep analysis, we've got an excellent option for you. There are many products available to choose from Best Fitness Tracker, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews from customers, and compiled a list of the best fitness tracker from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Fitbit Versa 2 Fitness Tracker. The Fitbit Versa 2 is a worthy update from the original, providing all the tracking features fitness and health buffs want to see, including step counting, calories burned, floors climbed, heart rate, sleep analysis, and more. We love the built-in always-on display that allows you to easily glance at information, such as your current workout stats, time of the day, or even phone alerts. We're also excited to see Amazon Alexa built in, so that you can summon her easily when needed. If you only want to monitor your sleeping patterns, check the Best Sleep Tracker. The one bit we're thrilled about is Fitbit's lockdown of more advanced health tools, workouts, and insights behind a subscription service, although we do appreciate the included 90-day trial. You can even use the Versa 2 with third-party apps and services, making it the best fitness tracker for MyFitnessPal users. If you already have an Android phone. Number 2. Xiaomi Mi Band 4 Fitness Tracker. Xiaomi is a brand that some in the West may be unfamiliar with, but in China, it's a well-known and trusted electronics option. Taking a look at the Xiaomi Mi Band 4, we can certainly see why there is much fanfare. A beautifully designed high-quality product, the Mi Band 4 features a beautiful AMOLED display that is easily read in bright sunlight, thanks to its 450 nits of screen brightness. If you decide to take a swim to escape the rays of the sun, you can also do so, thanks to the band's 5 ATM water rating, allowing you to swim down to 50 meters. We also like the included ability to customize the tracker's watch face. However, we are a massive fan of the charging process, which requires you to remove the central watch from the band. On the flip side, the Mi Band 4 does offer the longest battery on our list, coming in at 20 days on a full charge. Number 3. Apple Watch Series 3 Fitness Tracker. If you're seeking the best fitness tracking companion for your iPhone, look no further than the Apple Watch. Here, we suggest Series 3 because of its great price and excellent feature offering. Apple's fitness tracking algorithms are among the most advanced thanks to its lab testing, ensuring you always get accurate readings. Being an Apple product, it is also the only tracking option that includes the ability to view and respond to messages. We also appreciate the SOS feature built in for contacting emergency services if something was to happen and the need arrived. The major con to setting this option back is the fact that Apple Watch doesn't work with Android smartphones, iPhone only here. Additionally, most users will find the battery only lasts a single day and will need to be charged nearly every night. Number 4. HalfSun Fitness Tracker. The HalfSun Fitness Tracker takes special care with its heart health features, making it the best fitness tracker with a heart rate monitor. In addition to standard activity trackings, such as steps, distance, and calories, the HalfSun can track both your heart rate and blood pressure. The HalfSun even offers 24/7 monitoring for heart health, so that you can view a detailed report via the included smartphone app. Are you sitting too long? That's not great for your health. Thus, the HalfSun Fitness Tracker can be there to remind you to stand up and stretch out for a bit. We love the overall design of the watch, but some individuals with smaller wrists might find it a bit bulky. Number 5. Fitbit Charge 3 Fitness Tracker. When it comes to women's health, Fitbit pulls ahead with its advanced tracking features, and we believe the Fitbit Charge 3 is a great option to pair. A smaller variation of our top pick, the Fitbit Versa 2, the Charge 3, brings all of the features you would want to find, such as activity and sleep tracking, notification alerts, heart rate monitoring, and water resistance. But for female users, the Fitbit Charge 3 pulls ahead with the ability to track periods, record your symptoms, and provide estimations for ovulation and fertility windows. The design also makes the Charge 3 fit thinner wrists down to 5.5 inches. The only downside we found was a few potential software bugs, but it appears the Fitbit team has squashed most of them since launch, and the company makes one of the best fitness tracker apps available. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.